PostgreSQL, often referred to as Postgres, is an advanced open-source relational database management system. It's designed to handle a wide range of workloads from single machines to data warehouses or web services with many concurrent users. The reason PostgreSQL stands out is its rich feature set, robustness, and the strong adherence to SQL standards, which makes it a powerful choice for developers and businesses alike. Its history is quite fascinating. PostgreSQL traces its roots back to the mid-1980s at the University of California, Berkeley. It began as a project called Postgres, which was designed to extend the capabilities of the Ingres database. The goal was to create a more advanced system, capable of handling complex data types and relationships. Over the years, it evolved significantly, especially with the introduction of SQL support in the 1990s, leading to the name we know today, PostgreSQL. What makes PostgreSQL so appealing is its versatility. For example, think of a library. Just as a library categorizes books in various genres to make them easily accessible, PostgreSQL organizes data using tables, where each table represents a different type of data, such as customers, orders, or products. You can easily retrieve information by running queries, much like looking up a book by title or author in that library. One of the standout features of PostgreSQL is its support for advanced data types. It allows you to store not just plain text or numbers, but also JSON data, arrays, and even custom data types. This flexibility is invaluable for modern applications, especially those dealing with complex datasets. For instance, if you're developing a web application that needs to store user profiles, you might want to save not only basic information like name and email, but also preferences in a structured way. PostgreSQL can handle this seamlessly, allowing you to store a JSON object within a single column. In the real world, I've personally witnessed how PostgreSQL can transform business operations. For example, one company I worked with was struggling with managing their data in spreadsheets. They had multiple Excel files with thousands of rows, making it difficult to find information, ensure data consistency, and collaborate effectively. By migrating from spreadsheets to PostgreSQL, they could efficiently query complex datasets, maintain data integrity through relationships and constraints, and enable multiple team members to work with the data simultaneously. This transition led to improved data accuracy, faster reporting, and better decision-making, showcasing how migrating from spreadsheets to a well-implemented database can drive business success. Moreover, PostgreSQL has a vibrant community and rich ecosystem of extensions. These extensions provide additional functionalities, such as GIS capabilities through PostGIS or full-text search with additional modules. This community support means that if you encounter a challenge, there's likely a solution or a tool available to help you navigate it. To wrap up, PostgreSQL is not just a database, it's a powerful tool that can empower businesses and developers. Its history reflects a commitment to innovation and adaptability. With its advanced features, flexibility, and strong community support, it's an excellent choice for a wide range of applications.